So now up to now we have done the flip-flop. Today I'm going to teach you the counter, and counter is the very important topic. Okay? Because one of the question will definitely come from the counter. So basically what is counter? A counter is a digital counter. Basically it is a set of flip-flop. Okay, as I told you, if you remember, in one flip-flop, I can store only one bit element, bit. But if I use number of flip-flop, then I can use number of bits to store it, right? मतलब मान लो कि if I'll use three flip-flop, then in that case I can store three bit, correct? So basically, digital counter is a set of flip-flop. Okay, whose state changes in response to the pulse applied. So basically, if we'll have number of flip-flop in this, then we'll have 2 raised to power n states. ठीक है? So now flip-flop जैसे कि counter क्या होता है? जैसे like we'll do counting. One of the counter is the up counter. तो up counter में we'll record 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, like increasing वाली चीज. And another type of counter will have the down counter like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, like that. ठीक है? Next, counter is divided into two category. One of the counter is the synchronous counter and another counter is the asynchronous counter. ठीक है? Counter may be synchronous or asynchronous, depends. So generally they will ask you in the Manipal में ये क्या पूछते हैं, they'll ask you generally a asynchronous counter and इसको हम ripple counter भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? Asynchronous counter और ripple counter means they are the same thing. ठीक है? So see how they will ask you in the paper. Similarly, like design 2-bit ripple up counter using negative H triggered JK flip flop. ठीक है? क्या यूज करते हैं? लाइक देर आस्किंग डिजाइन 2-bit रिपल अप काउंटर यूजिंग नेगेटिव एज ट्रिगर्ड जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप. तो दे मेंशन कि उनको कौन सा फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज करना है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग तुम्हें काउंटर यूज करना है. क्लियर अप टू हेयर? Now, if they mention T flip-flop, you can use T flip-flop. So, in the case of counter, we'll always use either JK flip-flop or we'll use the T flip-flop. Okay? If they didn't mention SR or D flip-flop, you can't use. You can use JK flip-flop and T flip-flop. Clear? Now, next thing they have mentioned 2-bit means we need to store 2-bit. So, for 2-bit, we need to flip-flop. So I'm drawing two flip-flop over here and both the flip-flop are the JK flip-flop. So this one is J, matlab this is suppose flip-flop 1 and this is suppose flip-flop 2. Okay, flip-flop 1 and this is flip-flop 2. This is J1, K1. This is suppose J2 and K2. So this would be Q1 and Q1 bar. This would be output is Q2 and Q2 bar, right? This is the diagram of flip-flop. अब उसके बाद what they said कि 2-bit triple up counter है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि Q1 will be the output of the next flip-flop की clock pulse. ठीक है? जैसे दो चीजें होती हैं, will have either up counter और will have either down counter. अगर up counter है तो QA कनेक्ट होगा नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप की क्लॉक पल्स से, और अगर डाउन काउंटर है तो QA बार कनेक्ट होगा नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप की क्लॉक पल्स. क्लियर दिस थिंग कि अप काउंटर है तो क्या कनेक्ट होगा? QA एंड डाउन काउंटर है तो QA बार कनेक्ट. Now they are saying negative edge triggered flip-flop. So we'll have two types of flip-flop clock pulse. One is the positive edge triggered. This one is the positive edge triggered, and this one is the negative edge triggered. Okay, this one is the negative edge triggered clock pulse. So यहाँ पे if there is no circle, then that is represented by positive edge triggered, and if there is a circle, then in that case that would be the negative edge triggered clock pulse. So this one they have mentioned in the question that they are using the negative edge. So in this case you have to use the negative edge triggered clock pulse. This one is also the negative edge triggered clock pulse. ठीक है? Now they said कि JK flip flop means our diagram is completed. 2 bit means कि 2 flip flop. Up counter or down counter they can use. Up counter में you have to connect with QA, and down counter में you have to connect with QA bar. Negative and positive JK और T. ये options आ सकते हैं हमारे पास. Now see, this is Q1, so output would be Q1. This is Q2, so output would be Q. Clear? So this is the basically block diagram of the given question. Draw this one also. J always J1 K1 is connected with the logic 1, and J2 K2 is also connected with the logic 1. Okay. So now you have to design according to this, because maximum time तुम्हारे पेपर का ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है, that they said design a 3 bit. For 3 bit you need to use how many flip flop? You need to use 3 flip flop, right? Triple down counter means QA bar, QB bar, QC bar would be connected. Positive edge means no circle, and you have to use again JK flip flop. Try it by your own. इसमें देखो दे सेड कि डिजाइन 3 बिट ट्रिपल डाउन काउंटर. सबसे पहले आई टोल्ड 3 बिट है तो काउंटर 3 फ्लिप फ्लॉप. ठीक है, तो ड्रॉ द 3 फ्लिप फ्लॉप. हमारे पास 3 फ्लिप फ्लॉप है, and they have mentioned that which flip flop we need to use, that is we are using the JK flip flop. तो ऐसे मार्किंग करनी है, this is flip flop 1, this is flop 2, and this is flop 3, right? अब इसमें हमारे पास क्या है, फ्लिप फ्लॉप 1 है तो दिस इज J1 K1, आउटपुट वुड बी 1 Q1 बार. Okay, similarly we'll have J2 K2, output will be Q bar. Similarly we'll have J3, output will be Q3 3 bar. Clear? यहाँ तक बताओ, यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? 3 बिट है तो I draw the 3 flip flop. JK flip flop they have mentioned that then we'll use JK flip. Now next step, J1 and K1 is connected with the logic 1. Similarly J3 K3 is connected with the logic 1, and J2 K2 is connected with the logic 1. Okay. Now they said कि down counter में 1 bar is connected to the फ्लिप फ्लॉप ऑफ द नेक्स्ट क्लॉक पल्स. ठीक है, अगर अप काउंटर होता तो Q1 को कनेक्ट करते नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप की क्लॉक पल्स से, और Q1 बार है तो वो, अब डाउन काउंटर है तो Q1 बार को कनेक्ट करा. सिमिलरली Q2 बार विद बी द आउटपुट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद हमारे पास क्या है, डाउन काउंटर है तो Q1 बार Q2 बार हो गया. पॉजिटिव एज है तो क्लॉक हमारी क्या है, पॉजिटिव. आई टोल्ड यू, अगर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव एज क्लॉक पल्स है तो हम सिंपल ऐसे बना देते हैं. इफ दे प्रोवाइड द नेगेटिव एज ट्रिगर्ड क्लॉक पल्स तो हम ऐसे सर्कल बना. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? In the output we'll write down Q1 over here, Q2 over here, and Q3 over here. Okay, so this is the block diagram. Next thing we need to write it down the timing diagram. First you need to understood the block diagram, then I'll tell you about the timing diagram. देखो आई एम ड्राइंग डिजाइन 3 बिट ट्रिपल अप काउंटर. 3 बिट है तो वी नीड टू ड्रॉ इट अकॉर्डिंग टू 3 बिट. 3 फ्लिप फ्लॉप बने, राइट? दे सेट टी फ्लिप फ्लॉप, तो टी में एक इनपुट होती है Q1 T1 and Q1 bar. Then again T2 Q2 Q2 bar, T3 bar. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन दे सेड कि पॉजिटिव एज ट्रिगर्ड है. पॉजिटिव में तुम्हें पता है पॉजिटिव की क्लॉक इज लाइक दिस, राइट. देन दे सेड अप काउंटर है तो Q1 Q2 इज कनेक्टेड. डाउन काउंटर होता तो Q1 बार और Q2 बार इज कनेक्टेड. नाउ T1 is connected with the logic 1, connected with the logic 1 and is connected with the logic 1. है. देखो मुझे कितना टाइम लगा ये आने में.